god, as soon as I opened the oven, I'm already overwhelmed with the strong, flavorful smell. It's just so tasty, it smells so good. And look at the color, wow! And look at the shinies of each meat. Oh my god, just so tasty. Wow. Ooh, look at the shiny. Wow. Hi everyone, this is Pinky Q. Today is Saturday and I'm going to visit one of my friends. I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna cook something special, which is baked beef jerky. A little bit spicy flavor. Friends are around, or you stay at home, you watch TV, you can eat it as a snack with wine or beer. Sometimes basketball or the other games, it also can be a great snack with beer. It's like perfect and it's so tasty. So let's get started. The first step, we're gonna season the meat, which is the beef, with different flavorful ingredients and sauces. So the last step is adding the boiling chili oil. So this step could use the temperature of the chili oil, make all the ingredients mix well together because it's hot and warm. So make all the powders, all the ingredients like melted. Meat seasoning part like last night. It has been in a refrigerator. Right now I'm gonna cook it. Same as before I start cooking, I always wear this apron, Hawaii style, and also the gloves to keep it clean. So I already set the temperature at 400 F or 200 C, so based on your oven, and it's right now under the preheat mode. So at the same time, we're gonna put the meat onto the plate. Before we put the meat onto the plate, we need a light layer of the oil, so make it evenly distributed. So in this way, the meat won't be stick to the plate, and also to avoid overcooking of the meat. So after this is done, we're gonna put the meat onto the top one by one. So like this. So right now all the meat has been evenly put onto the plate, and look at how shiny they are. And it's gonna be really delicious. And with all the beautiful seasoning sauce. So right now, the preheat of the oven already finished. So we're gonna put this plate into the oven. So put in the middle layer of the oven. Oh, I need to help. So we're gonna start baking it for 30 minutes from now. So it's already 30 minutes now. We're gonna open the oven and also turn over the meat. So right now it's already 30 minutes and I'm gonna open the oven and turn over the meat one by one to make it like evenly cooked. Wow, you can see a lot of juice already coming out from the meat. And the surface you can see is already half cooked. We're gonna turn over the meat one by one. So like this. So right now all the meat has been turned over one by one, and we don't want to waste the sauce left, so we're gonna brush another light layer of the sauce onto the meat. Like this. So right now I have brushed all the left sauce on the top of the meat. And then we're gonna put back to the oven for another 25 minutes. So now another 25 minutes has gone and the meat should be well cooked right now. So let's see. Oh my god, as soon as I opened the oven, I'm already overwhelmed with the strong flavorful smell. It's just so tasty, it smells so good. And look at the color, wow! And look at the shinies of each meat. Oh my god, just so tasty. Wow. Ooh, look at the shiny. Wow. Yes, I think it's done. I just turn off the heat and then let it cool for like a couple minutes before I put it in the container. Oh my god, I just can't stop like staring at it, and my mouth is watering right now. I can't wait to try it out. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna pick a small one now. Okay, this one. Wow, so much flavor. It's really well seasoned, and the meat is not too dry. It's still a little bit tender, so you can still feel the texture of it. Good job, Pinky Kill! Yay! So I hope you liked today's sharing, and I'm gonna bring this to my friend's house to share with her. I'm sure she's gonna love it. And I hope you enjoyed today's sharing, and if you like my video, please click the thumb up button under this video, and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification button, so whenever there's other video come up, you can see it at the first time. And I'm gonna post a lot of cooking videos soon, and also other fashion or dancing videos. Okay, hope you have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye. I'm gonna eat more.